Hello and welcome to my channel. If you've never been here before, my name is Megan and I am the woman behind the screen. Today I have a guided meditation for you. Now, I do offer these guided meditations in my Etsy shop, and I wanted to be able to have as many people benefit from them as possible. So I am uploading them here on YouTube as well. But you can still purchase a clean copy of the MP3 from my Etsy shop. It's only $1, and then you can take your meditation with you on the go wherever you want. So let's just cut right to the meditation. Hello, and welcome to this guided meditation. Today, we are going to practice self-compassion in difficult times. Let's begin by taking a moment to settle our body into a comfortable position. When you're ready, close your eyes. Allow your spine to lift and your shoulders to soften. Today, we will practice self-compassion. Taking a full breath in and a long, slow breath out. I invite you to think of a situation in your life right now that's difficult. Maybe you are feeling a little stressed, or you're worried about something happening, or perhaps there's tension in one of your relationships. Bring this challenging situation to mind. What happened, or what do you think might happen? And now that you're holding this in your mind, I invite you to consider these things. First, simply acknowledge that this is a difficult situation. Find language that works for you to label what's happening right now. Perhaps this is a really tough situation. Maybe I feel afraid about this. Maybe I feel anxious about this. Just bring mindful awareness to what's happening right now. Next, acknowledge that difficulty is a part of life. It is something that you've experienced before, and everyone around you has experienced before too. Remind yourself of our common humanity. That difficulty is a part of our experience. And like everything else, it too will shift. Finally, I invite you to say to yourself from your mind, "May I be kind to myself in this moment." Acknowledge that no matter how hard the situation is, you can still be kind to yourself. Use any language you'd like that supports this sense of kindness. Perhaps choose wording you would offer to a friend going through something similar. "I'm here for you. It's going to be okay. You are loved." And if you like, rest your hand on your heart, offering kindness to yourself. Take a moment to take that kindness in. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. And now, with that recognition of compassion for yourself, finish with a full, deep breath in and a long, slow breath out.